Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see one more case for XSS, and we will also see the balancing of the XSS. So as you can see, there is a search parameter. I'm going to search into this parameter Hacktify and I will hit enter, and you can see the parameter is getting reflected, right? So I'm going to test for reflected XSS. So I will just give Hacktify and the simple payload here. As you can see, script alert1 script tag close and hit enter. As you can see, our JavaScript payload did not execute. Something stopped the payload from executing. So let's see what stopped this from executing by opening the page source, and let's search for Hacktify to see where does it get reflected. As you can see, it is getting reflected over here. So there are total 66 matches where it is getting reflected. Checking all of them, we realize that we need to balance our payload. There are total 66 reflection where Hacktify gets reflected, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I am going to balance my payload. Yes, as you can see here, if you can look closely, here you can see this gets ended by this. This whole placeholder gets ended by this. So what I'm going to do is in the value parameter where my payload is getting input reflected, I'm going to end this payload itself, okay, and make this payload come out of the value. So I'm going to end this by adding this at the start. So let me just go back to the website, and this time let me use a new payload and also try to balance it. So I'm using image source payload. Image source equals to X. Is there any source like that? No. This is an invalid source. So the application will throw an error on, and we have given on error confirm 1. Okay. It did not get reflected. It got reflected, but it did not got executed. So what we are going to do is, as we saw into the page source, we are going to balance it like this, and we are going to hit enter. Yes, and you can see we got an alert, which means we were successfully able to execute the JS and successfully able to exploit the XSS vulnerability. I hope you understood. Thank you.